All I can say is I told you I'd be back. Thank you for sharing some of your time with me today as I go through this full face of Maybelline. Everything will be in the description box, but feel free to leave a comment or have any questions, just let me know. I don't never do this, but I'm finna try it today. Day. Always remember, if you have a crease, blend the crease out first before you add the setting powder, or you'll set the crease and it won't be smooth. Let's compare. This one's a little more red, I think, but I'm sure it'll be fine. We're gonna see how this do. I'm nervous about it because I use my powder all the time with whatever. I use my MAC powder, but because of the sake of this video, I got a powder. A teachable moment. My camera stopped recording. Usually I have the viewfinder on my thing open and it wasn't open, and that's usually how I know I stopped recording. So I'm gonna salvage it somehow.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind
product left for my next brow. I'd rather my 99 cent LA Colors eyebrow pencil. This one flaked entirely too much. Whew. That was a lot of work. Brow gel.
For you, praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind, right now, just wanna thank you. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do?
Vivid matte liquid.
Going through. I'm gonna dance like they, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, it don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise?
Well, that's all I got. That's all I got for you. I'm going to do a wear test. This is how my makeup finished, and it is now $3.33. We're gonna see how this Maybelline makeup holds up, because drugstore makeup, if you don't have it, drugstore makeup is an option. Just so you know. But I'll be back some hours later so we can see how this holds up. I'll be back. Not the lipstick, but the face, because I'm finna eat. It is now 7:55 p.m. I put this makeup on at 3:33 p.m. Maybelline. Just like that. It is now 10:38. I have taken my lashes off. As you can see, though that is Maybelline mascara that I bought. No blot, no touch-ups. Until the next time.